Oh, right, yeah, so it's catching the end
smoking
of that.
all that.
Smoking.
And the fucking... Yeah, it's slipping off here, that.
Going back.
On the turn, so I don't know if our Jubilee clip is cut into the pipe or something. You can see it seeping. We got a bit of a leak on the rack.
Is it power steering fluid or is it just oil leaking from up here?
There's a bit of oil leaking from there, and obviously it's power steering fluid as well.
Yeah.
So we got a bit of a leak on the rack. Our pipe needs to be fucking changed.
Just like that.
That's fucked. Oh yeah, I'm big something.
No.
No?
No, that's not.
Oh, that's the thing gear. So, what's that hanging on drive shaft?
It's ABS plugs or something, is it?
That's not that nice though, is it?
No, no, it's not coming from fucking the back, it's coming from
Cable
front.
tie. No, I'll do that in a minute now. Just cable. Oh, I just look checking bolts and that. I'm going on looking at stuff like, yeah, it's tight, it's on here, nothing's come off.
This isn't tight.
Oh.
Fucking hell.
Yeah,
That's lucky.
that's undone. Good spot in, James.
Good spot in, James, mate.
Good spot in, James.
For something. Just can't spot anything on my own car.
Look at that, another fucking flange on a diff.
Yeah.
Look at this. See, I noticed the paint on here. And on here. If we look behind it and see who's painted in there.
Car.
Nice like paint on here as well. There's no movement in that. No like up and down play, right? And that's just... It doesn't sound too bad. I know the diff lining in there.
Fucking tighten up that shock.
Yeah, what is it?
18. Oh, fucking hell, that was about to come out, that was.
Huh?
That was about to come out. Has that been rethreaded at some point in his life?
No, I think you better put a bit of fucking weight on that.
Yeah, fucking.
To level it a bit, like.
Grab the fucking axle stand there. Gearbox stand.
Just roll the inside like on the arch, innit?
Yeah. Got a tyre wheel.
How little it's been driven.
But every second he's driven it in anger, to be honest.
Oh yeah, the back wheels have done 6 times the distance of the front wheels as
Top
well.
back out there.
Huh?
It's not tight then. It's getting tight there now, that's tight.
No.
Just pull the fucking fans down, haven't I?
Yeah.
We'll go top there. Okay. And you have to drill it bigger and retap it.
You might get some end threads into it maybe.
Yeah, I would
Which
so.
is where the problem
It'd be like to get me on, but obviously I want to do it properly now, so I'd probably,
Especially on a 400 brake horsepower car.
yeah, obviously, I want to,
So close to going off that was.
I'll drill it bigger, and we'll put a fucking next size bolt in there and have to.
So nice.
Yeah.
Still, I still want to fucking,
Do it properly again.
yeah, I'll do it. This, this, I fucking on the move. Go start this screwdriver guy,
Yep.
please. Oh, is it leaking from the top and running down inside the sleeve? And I can't put it on.
Yeah. Should we run?
All this way.
The joys of turbo ownership.
I do shit in it. It's on it though. Push right down as well.
It's coming from above it, is it?
I don't know. That's on it. All the way around, it's pushed right down to the neck like. Try to like on up here with it. Up like. That's so fucking far, isn't it?
No, it's oil hose, isn't it?
Huh?
It's oil
Is
hose,
it-
isn't
is
it?
Coming
High pressure hose,
from
is
the
it?
top.
Down like.
Like I'm sure when I looked down at the turbo, it looked a bit oily from looking down.
Oh, I got this far. Oh, you fucking see, I can see it like, but I don't seem to be.
Can't see nothing. It's definitely not just power steering fluid fucking flying around, is it? And not oil.
Oh, it's not like oil or is it power, sorry, is it power steering fluid?
Well, whatever you had on your finger was power steering fluid, and it was pink. So, ADF, yeah, that's what you're using, isn't it? ADF Dextron 3. Looks very cool, and
Yeah?
it looks very cool.
Yeah.
You can see stuff flying around from
With the catch can. That wasn't on it last time.
Yeah, it's cool.
These silicone hoses.
E36, yeah. Warm up down there.
Sounds like we got a bit of a bottom end knock, unfortunately.
I'd say so.
Car plagued with fucking problems.
As I come off the T-junction over there, I pulled off and then it just started happening. We were there and driving on in there and
Get a set of race bearings for it and hope it hasn't damaged the crank.
Yeah.
Well, said you wanted to change the oil anyway, so.
Cup of tea on there. Oh, I like that little taxi rate now, I know. Fuck's sake, man! I want that new bike as well. Nah, it won't be much anyway. It's fucking labours. You sort that out though, Gavin.
Do it yourself, can't you?
I'm a fucking time bag.
Fucking hell. No, I
I
can't
can do
do
it
it
myself on the drive on a Saturday if there's no raining and that. I'm in work all week till 7 at night.
You do it in a day on your own on a Saturday on the ground.
Do it a day on
Yeah, yeah.
fucking day in there.
She's a lot cheaper if you do it. Especially when you can do it.
I know I can do it. It's just fucking time. I can fucking probably get over the house and get the fucking sump off today, like.
Yeah, there you go.
But I can't.
You just said you can.
I gotta spend the day with the wife, but
That'd take you probably
Take the fucking dog out.
2 hours. That
2
take.
hours.
But yeah, I'll do it if needed.
Oh,
Coolant on your
that's the least of my worries.
I know.
Me and Ross will do it if you
Do
need.
you know what? The drive over here was awesome. Oh, Gary heard it.
Yeah. I have it on video. Not to drive over, just the sound. Unfortunate, but as I said many times, this is what happens with turbo builds. Problems. You just need to iron them out.
One thing at a time.
And
Yeah, we'll get there.
unfortunately, that costs money.
Yeah. Cost me fucking plenty of it so far, you know. But it's what we fucking love, isn't it?
Not spending money. James loves spending money.
I wish it was all free.
His wife's money.
I wish it was all free.
Be nice, wouldn't it?
Fucking hell, it's been like 4 years now, isn't it? Back now, we remember TD yet.
4 years, done 10 miles. Bare and gone.
So, but if you leave the car outside, we could do it this afternoon or later, or go get Alan's trailer or something,
You can tow it.
or pull it. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
Never mind
Or
the
pull
trailer.
Well,
Tow
or
it,
just
innit?
tow it behind.
Tow it, yeah, I got a fucking tow in it in the bag. Pop in that one, screws in front, just fucking screw that in, off we go.
Just come prepared.
Yeah, I got fucking anything out of it, fucking bearings.
And the time to fit them.